So the cooker hot tap, obviously a normal tap in your kitchen for cold water, for hot water, for washing up, etc. But obviously the cooker's all about the boiling water. Some people say, well, it's a lot of money just to replace my kettle. But the boiling water option, of course, will make tea, make coffee, but you can blanch vegetables here. And if you're cooking potatoes or pasta, something that you're going to put in a bigger pan, and it takes quite a long time for even an induction hob to boil the water, you can fill your pan with boiling water, take it to your hob, regardless of if it's a gas, induction, whichever it happens to be, and you can pretty much start your cooking immediately because the water will boil and you can add your food. So there's that advantage to it as well. So yeah, definitely not just about making tea and coffee, you can do so many more things.